Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you're just tuning into the channel for the first time, I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. So today I am in a neighborhood called North Ranch by Pulte Homes. This is actually a Del Webb community. Now this is actually an age-restricted community. Now Del Webb is pretty much across the country, okay? Now keep in mind that if you're not at the age of 55, you still can actually buy a home in this community. What's great about this age-restricted community, it's very active living, pickleball, tennis, billiards room, card room. I mean, they have it all here. Now, this model that we are going to be touring today, this is actually the Cottage series. This is actually the Peaks. Now, there are a total of 9 floor plans to choose from. Unfortunately, there's only 8 models here to tour. Now, the Peaks here is 1,590 square feet, features 2 bedrooms and also a flex space and a 2-car garage. Now, you do have an option for a 3-bedroom as well. Now, the base price, the starting price on here is $348,990. A couple things that you can do here with this elevation, you have 3 different elevations that you can pick and choose from. Now you have an option to build out your courtyard from all the way out here if you wanted to. Now on this one, you do have a side entry to the front door of your home. So the living is going to be a little bit different on here. So as we come in through this 8-foot lime door, all right, let's come on in. We are straight in your living space. As you can see, I'm going to pan all the way around so that way you guys can get your bearings. And here's the front door. So now, let's start off on this side here. On this one right here, if we take a look, we do have the orange peel texture. Orange peel texture is a lot more easy to deal. It's a lot easier to hide blemishes. And we have a straight edge on the cornering here too as well. Like I mentioned before, you do have some options with this builder. You can do the 1/2-inch bull nose, the Santa Fe texture, or the skip trawl texture, or the standard orange peel. Now, here is the flex space. However, you can convert this into a 3rd bedroom if you want. Closet will be pushed out this way. You're going to lose some space. However, you do have that option. It will be 9 by 13 on this flex space. Okay. Now let's come down this way here. We have our 2-car garage here. Got your alarm system. Right down this hall here is our 2nd bedroom. Okay. The 2nd bedroom here is going to be 12 by 11, so it's a pretty decent size here with a queen size bed. You got your 6-panel door. Your hardware has been upgraded to that dark espresso look. Also with the 8-foot doors too as well. You have your straight edge 6-inch baseboards. That would be an upgrade, folks. Everything that you see today will be an upgrade. Your bathroom. Your 3/4 bath with a fiberglass pan and your backsplash made out of chlorine. You got your vanity, okay, not bad. Now this one has a lot of standard stuff here. Now this collection is not your high-end collection. When I say your high-end collection, it doesn't have all the features and upgrades to the home. Now, one of the things that you can do is get rid of this door right here. This whole section becomes a part of your garage. So you can actually have like a 2-car garage or possibly a 3-car tandem garage if you have a small enough car. But that would be done with more storage or give you more storage. You do have an option to do this tray ceiling right here. I definitely love this feature wall. Kind of feels like that Asian type of look, that Zen feel. I think I would have painted this the same color as this one. That thing would definitely pop, or vice versa. You have the same thing on this side too as well. Now, we have a 24 by 24 tile. A couple things about this tile right now. As you can see, number one, the grout lines, all right, are dirty. They're not sealed. Also, the grout lines are not filled all the way up to the top. Now, these are straight edge tile. With the straight edge tile, you need to make sure every single tile corners up equally, because if you look straight down the line, the question is it straight? Also, the tile here, if we take a look, as you can see, it's not floated. So when you have these straight edge tile, especially when you're walking bare feet, sometimes you'll end up scraping your feet and you can literally cut your feet. So if you do the bullnose, it's a lot easier for the tile guy to float this. But as you can see, this is the highest point, second, third, and fourth. And the real way to do this, to get rid of this, is if you bring the grout lines all the way to the top. But it's very hard to bring it to the top because then now you have slopes. So that's the reason why it looks like this, and this is the best way to combat the situation. However, if you are doing this, make sure you get the right tile guy to float the tile. Let's take a look at this kitchen here. Kitchen island has a 2-inch face with the waterfall. That's right, folks. That is an upgrade. Now I just dirtied my shoes. Let me wipe my shoes down for a second. I know that sounds so bougie. Oh well. Okay, so we have a nice skin with a beautiful toe kick here. Gives that real customization look. You have the full overlay cabinets, that modern look, which is really nice. Okay, and you have that gold handles here, which is really cool. And you have the lights underneath the cabinets. Let's take a look here. Whirlpool appliances, undermounted sink. And I love this faucet. Looks like your standard stove. Microwave. Let's see if they have an exhaust. Yes, some builders like Richmond American Homes, they would charge you for a fee to exhaust that out, which I think that's like the dumbest thing. Washer and dryer. So this looks like their lower grade package appliance here. Upgraded on the sink and also the cabinet. You'll get your standard shelves here. 36 inches on your smart panel box. Now let's come back this way. Wow, this pantry is very large. Look at this pantry here. Also, you have your attic access here to your furnace and your AC unit. You have a 6-foot slide. I do love this window right here. Okay, let's take another look from this angle here. Not bad. We got 9-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, 3 inches on the casings around the door. Now we are in the master bedroom. There's a few configurations and options. You have the nice feature wall here with the tile. And as you can see, you have the pre-wire with the lights and the 4-can lighting here. 2-tone paint. And you have your standard carpets here. Let's take a look at the master bath. And what do we have for the master bath? HOAs are $198 a month. You do get a lot with this. So on this upgrade right here, 0 threshold, and I love this marble tile. You have a 1/2 inch on the glass here. Look at that. Nice. And you have a water closet here. However, I would definitely put a door for privacy. However, you can't put a door is because this bathroom is just too small. So now what happens is this. Door comes here. When somebody uses the bathroom, now this space is occupied. You can't brush your teeth or take a shower. Now you have to wait. Okay. Closet, not bad. .36 inches on the height of the vanity, which is very nice. That's great that the master bedroom has that transfer duct, which is great. That's a upgrade. Covered patio. Look how huge that backyard is. Right? Well, guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property, if you can see yourself living here. Again, if you have not had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. A lot of you guys haven't subscribed to this channel, not too sure why. Please tell all your friends, your family. Also, give me a thumbs up too as well. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks.